much braver and wiser than before. The zebra who had to set off long ago had walked and eventually found an enormous rainbow, black and thick like smoke and heavy with water. But not knowing what it was, he quickly turned around to hurry home. But as they walked back, the rain cloud began to follow them. The zebra met the elephants coming the other way, and in turn the lions, giraffes, and monkeys, who all hurried home with the terrible rain cloud above them.
Gubari, help us! Look above us, something terrible is going to happen.
Nune, it's here! It's here! Animals, there's nothing to fear. You must trust me. I may be old, but I'm wise. Nune is our friend. Nune has come to save us. I'm filled with happiness, and soon you will be happy too.
Gubari bumped his spear to aim toward the sky, then launched his spear into the dark, heavy rain cloud.
Gubari's spear pierced the dark rain cloud, and it began to rain. But it was no ordinary rain. It was the heaviest downpour of rain that the place had seen for a very, very long time. And the rain brought with it a great happiness as all the animals of the place began to smile, then laugh, then skip, then jump, then dance.